In this question, we are not told that the shape is a parallelogram, but after reading the question, we are to assume it. So we want to go from x to y. To get from x to y, we can't go there directly. What we need to do instead is we need to go from x to b, and then from b to y. Okay, so let's have a look at those. X to b is going to be the same as a to x, and the reason we know that is because it tells us here it's the midpoint. So to get from x to b, it's going to be a. To get from b to y, we are told that yc is 1, where this would be 3. So that means it is from here to here would be 3b. So to get from b to y, it's plus 3b. A plus 3b. We've then got find y to d. This is what I mean about having to assume that this is a parallelogram, because otherwise we couldn't do this question. So to get from y to d, we're going to go from y to c, and then we're going to go from c to d. Now from y to c is easy, that's little b. From d to c is going to be the same as from a to b, and from a to b is 2a. But we don't want to go from d to c, we want to go from c to d. So instead of plus 2a, it's going to be minus 2a. b minus 2a. To go from d to x, well, to go from d to x, we need to go from d to a first. And when we've gone from d to a, we need to go from a to x. D to a, well, AD is parallel to BC. BC is 4b, so AD must be 4b. If I'm going backwards along AD, to go from D to A, it's going to be negative 4b. And then A to X, we know, is just little a. Here, I'm going to write it in alphabetical order, A minus 4b. But if you wrote minus 4b plus a, it would not be wrong.